I'm going to try, I've said this before, I'm going to try and scale more and automate more. I haven't done it yet, but I'm looking into places where I'm going to try and buy some designs and test it out. So I've seen people do that, where people, hey, I'll design 100 designs for you or whatever. I'm going to try and do that. I'll show it on a video too, but I'm going to try and put that to the test and see if that works. So, because right now I've been designing all my stuff. So I'm gonna try and do a couple of things. I'm gonna try and see if that works, and I'm bulk buying designs and also automation. I haven't tried that yet. Trying to upload. So this year is going to be a lot of testing. I may spend a lot more money on things like that to test, but that's okay. It's great because then it's also great for me because I'm going to learn how to do it, and I think it's great for YouTube too because I think a lot of people are curious about those things, and then I can show my experience with it, and then they don't have to spend the money and does this really work? Yes, it does. Or does this really? No, don't do it because it didn't work for me. Well, if it doesn't work for me, it doesn't mean it doesn't work, but at least I can show that it didn't work for me and you can get what you want from that. But
yeah, it's definitely handy for people, especially upload automation, I think, which is a bit more expensive to invest into. So for people who are just started to look into it, just getting that experience on YouTube is quite good. And I definitely recommend you try it out because I mean, you never know. On TeePublic and Redbubble, don't you? And
all of them.
Automation. You said on more?
Yeah. I'm on. So those are my top 3, like these right here: Redbubble, Amazon, TeePublic. But I'm also on, and I don't push them a lot because I concentrate on these 3 more. But I'm also on Threadless and Society6, Designed by Humans, Spreadshirt, Teespring. What else? A bunch of other ones.
And you've done it all manually. With automation, that definitely help you out.
I hope so. That makes sense.
I've been doing it for I think 2 years now, coming up to 2 years.
Nice.
It's definitely like the investment has definitely come back multiple times.
That's what I'm hoping.
I think what people also kind of have to remember is it's not just the income that it generates in terms of designs that if you upload it and if they get sales, but also the time you save, because yourself, uploading designs, it takes so long. And if purchasing a tool saves you 1,000 hours, that's
time is
a lot
money.
of value, in my opinion.
You could be using that time to create more designs, which you can upload more and get more. So it's
research.
Good use of your time.
Niches. Definitely has a lot of value, in my opinion.
Cool. Good to know.
If you enjoyed that clip, then click here to watch the full episode of Print on Demand Wisdom.